The outdoor of a Gree mini-split air conditioner has completely stopped, and the indoor unit is displaying an F0 error code. Now, I will explain why this error is occurring. You can see that I have turned on the switch, but it is only showing 0.2 amps and the unit is not operating. The red light is on the display of the unit. As soon as the error again displays on the unit, I will share it with you. You can see that the outdoor unit has also started, and at this moment, the unit is working. This unit is the one with an expansion valve, although Gree also has units with capillary tubes. Alongside that, you can see that one of the pipes has turned white, and I will show you why this pipe is starting to turn white. This is the discharge line, meaning the thin pipe has completely turned white, while the suction pipe is perfectly fine. Now you can see that the pipe, which had turned white, is starting to return to normal. So what is the reason behind this? What happened here is that while the unit was running in full motion, ice was forming here, but now the unit has reduced the amperes, meaning it has slowed down, which has increased the suction pressure, causing the ice to melt. The unit is now drawing 4.8 amperes. The pressure is very low, currently at 50 psi, which is quite low. At this point, there is no ice formation on the discharge line. This unit has refrigerant issue. When the amperage increases and reaches up to 6 amps, ice starts to form. However, if it is below 4 amps, no ice forms. Here, you can see that the unit is drawing 3.7 amps, and this has happened 3 to 4 times, with the unit turning on and off intermittently. I will also show you the pressure when the unit draws more amperes. The pressure decreases, and when the ampere is lower, the pressure increases. Currently, the unit is running at 110 psi. In this way, the unit is testing itself in different conditions to see if there is a problem. At the end, what the unit will do is give us an error on the display, because when there is refrigerant issue, the F0 error should appear. Now, what should we do? The pressure has dropped significantly. If it were showing around 100 psi, I would have done a top-up. But when the unit is running in full motion and drawing more than 5 amps, it is showing 50 psi, which means the refrigerant level is significantly low. In this condition, what we will do is secure all the refrigerant from the system, vacuum it thoroughly, and recharge the new refrigerant in it to ensure proper cooling and improved performance. If you're facing a similar issue, there are 3 possible situations to consider. If the refrigerant is completely run out, it will show an F0 error, or if it is low, it will still show an F0 error. If there is ice forming, but the refrigerant is still significantly present, the F0 error will also appear. So, what should you do in these cases? If the F0 error appears and the refrigerant has completely run out, fill it with fresh refrigerant. However, if the pressure is between 80 and 100 psi, just do a gas top-up and your unit will function properly again. Click on the left or right thumbnail to watch our next videos and subscribe. Thank you.